Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Fun for Kids, a cartoon and educational channel for kids learning and fun. Please like, subscribe, press the bell icon to see more updates about our channel. Please give a thumb up to this video. This is an episode of English cartoon series by Fun for Kids, Chirpy's Forest Adventures. This is a story about a bird named Chirpy. A vibrant, multicolored bird with feathers of red, blue, and yellow perches gracefully on a tree branch. Its sharp eyes scan the lush green forest below. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy.
Chirpy is airborne, wings outstretched, leading a group of fluffy, eager baby birds. They hop and flutter along tree branches, eyes wide with curiosity.
Perched on a moss-covered rock, Chirpy leaned towards a small spotted fawn. The fawn's large brown eyes show relief as Chirpy points with his wing towards an arrow.
Chirpy is perched beside a hollow tree trunk, revealing a hidden stash of acorns and nuts to excited squirrels. The squirrel's eyes sparkle with gratitude as it peers into the hollow.
Chirpy flies above a procession of forest animals, a rabbit, a fox, and a hedgehog, leading them to a clear, bubbling stream. The animals look up with respect while the stream shines with the sunlight.
In a forest clearing, Chirpy is at the center of a circle of attentive animals birds, rabbits, deers, and squirrels. They listened attentively about the wisdom of Chirpy. The ground is soft with grass.
Chirpy stands on bush teaching to a group of baby animals. The animals look on with wide, learning eyes.
In a forest clearing, Chirpy is surrounded by animals celebrating a bountiful feast. Piles of fruits and nuts are scattered around, and the animals are in high spirits. Animals are expressing their gratitude towards Chirpy.
The bird looks peaceful and satisfied after a day of helping others. If you like this video, please press the like button. Goodbye.